How does Coca-Cola leverage ServiceNow to significantly improve employee work experience? Coca-Cola isn't just a beverage giant. It's a global employer with over 79,000 employees across 200 countries. But managing such a vast workforce came with certain challenges. Legacy IT systems were less efficient. Manual approval processes were slowing down employees. Remote workers in Africa received slightly inconsistent IT support and system upgrades. Project managers were still managing time-consuming spreadsheets as records. This is the story of how Coca-Cola partnered with ServiceNow to turn these challenges into opportunities, creating a smoother and a smarter workflow. Alright, let's first look into the problem. Underutilized technology. Coca-Cola's bottling partners like Coca-Cola Beverage Africa and Hellenic Bottling Company faced a maze of disconnected systems. In Africa, CCBA had two separate IT systems, one for South Africa and another for rest of the continent. Employees in remote areas needed approval just to call the IT help desk, which was located again in South Africa. Meanwhile, HBC in Africa relied on complex legacy software that couldn't be upgraded. Projects were managed using Excel and PowerPoint, leading to delays and uncertainties. Without real-time visibility, leaders couldn't track progress and employees felt overwhelmed. ServiceNow's IT Service Management or ITSM platform became Coca-Cola's secret weapon. For CCBA, ServiceNow merged their two IT systems into one, giving 22,000 remote workers a mobile app to log issues instantly. No approvals required. The system automatically detected outages like a broken server in Kenya or alerted the IT team before employees even noticed. For Coca-Cola HBC, ServiceNow did more than fix IT tickets. They introduced AI-powered chatbots to answer common questions, freeing up IT staff for complex issues. They also integrated ServiceNow with software development tools, cutting major incidents caused by system updates by 50%. But wait, the biggest leap came with strategic portfolio management. HBC replaced chaotic spreadsheets with a single dashboard, tracking 500 plus projects in real time. Leaders could suddenly see which projects were lagging, how resources were allocated, and even predict bottlenecks. That felt like a huge jump forward. And the results? A refreshed workforce. The impact was transformative. CCBA slashed system upgrade time by 80%. Yes, you heard it right. 80%, using automated testing. HBC saved hundreds of thousands of euros by avoiding downtime. Employees no longer wasted hours chasing approvals or waiting for IT support. With self-service portals and mobile access, they could focus on innovation instead of paperwork. ServiceNow didn't stop at IT. HBC expanded it to HR, letting employees in Nigeria request leave or update benefits through the same platform. Procurement teams automated purchase orders and customer service team resolved issues faster using shared data. Over 150,000 hours of productivity were saved annually, time reinvested in growing the business. This must make you think, why would a giant like Coca-Cola choose ServiceNow? And why ServiceNow and no one else? Because it is more than just IT management. ServiceNow's true power lies in its flexibility. Coca-Cola used low-code tools to build custom workflows without hiring developers. The platform connected seamlessly with SAP, HR systems, and even IoT devices in factories. AI predicted issues before they escalated, like flagging a server likely to fail during a heat wave. For Coca-Cola, this wasn't just a tech upgrade, it was a cultural shift. Employees felt empowered, leaders made data-driven decisions, and the company future-proofed its operations. Coca-Cola's journey with ServiceNow shows how technology can turn complexity into clarity. By unifying systems, automating tasks, and putting employees first, they turned everyday workflows into a competitive advantage. Whether you are a global enterprise or a growing business, ServiceNow proves that the right platform can transform not just IT but every corner of your organization. This was all possible because Coca-Cola identified the issue in the first place and then looked for a solution. Are you able to figure out the gap in your business? If yes, then great. If no, then hurry. And let Syntexa assist you with a free consultation. Alright, that's all for this video. If you want to know more about ServiceNow, then check out all of these videos and subscribe for more. Goodbye.